Quick video on these extra large dust sheets. This is a 10 pack, which are really decent size. You can see the measurements there, but they literally come in the pack pre-folded. Okay, so you literally slide them out one at a time, like this one here is ready to show. I found these really good, so let me go show you a couple of uses I've used them for. First use is these ones, which I literally just lay on the carpet, taped down in the corners whilst I was painting my child's bedroom, which I've pretty much finished now. I've colour drenched the pink, as you can see, but these were just on the floor and over some of the furniture like the bed, just to keep everything nice and safe. Getting more creative with potential use number two, we're in the middle of installing a new stud wall with these sliding pocket doors, but you can see I've actually put the sheet and taped with masking tape on both sides of the door, okay, just to keep the door protected whilst we actually plaster on this side of the room imminently. There we go, creative idea number two. And creative idea number three is staple gunning it to the ceiling, because I actually took my ceiling down so my electrician and plumber could get up there to the pipes, etc. But then it was obviously quite messy and dust falling, so I've just literally put it up there. This is a really good example actually of how big it is. I mean, this whole kitchen is like 3 by 3 meters at least. And you can see we've got a little bit of excess just falling down on both sides. So yeah, a good example of how big they are. Obviously that cut I made, but you can to fit the light round. But yeah, a third idea of how these can be used. And yeah, I've been really impressed with them.